down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?
Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I hope you all are doing good and I am also good. So today I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to talk about Good Vibes product which I ordered around 4 to 5 days back, and I uploaded a short video that Good Vibes is offering a good offer that buy 2 get 2 products at free. So here's the link on I button, you can go and check out that video. So I also ordered on that time and I received my parcel yesterday and I wanted to open it in front of you. So I'm so excited because of it's my first time that I am going to use Good Vibes product. So I will make a detailed video on that. In this product I will make a review video also, but today I'm going to show you what I ordered and what the product says. So yeah, and without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So first of all, if you are new to my channel and you didn't subscribe yet, go and subscribe. What are you waiting for? And second thing, if you like this video, if you like me, just give it a like, and then I will get little bit of information that how many people likes me, and if you don't like me, please unlike mat karna, because I don't want to know कि मुझे कौन पसंद नहीं करता है. And if you want to see me on the when I post my video, if you want to see on that particular time, just go and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification of my every video. So don't miss any of my video which I post, because मत करा करो मिस, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started because intro बहुत लंबा हो चुका है. So yeah, एक बार और बोल रही हूँ, go and subscribe if you haven't yet. मेरा इतना फंबल होता है ना, मुझे बार बार रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ता है, एंड मैं इसको रॉ रखूँगी क्योंकि मैं बार बार एडिट मतलब कट नहीं करती हूँ, बट वो बार बार उसको दोबारा से रिकॉर्ड करना. अभी ये वाला क्लिप भी मेरा 4th to 5th क्लिप होगा. इससे पहले भी मैं 2-4 क्लिप रिकॉर्ड कर चुकी. कभी मुझे लाइट अच्छी नहीं लगती है, कभी मुझे मेरा फेस अच्छा नहीं लगता, कभी मुझे मेरी हेयर स्टाइल अच्छी नहीं लगती, कभी मुझे लगता है कि रिकॉर्डिंग सही नहीं आ रही है, ये हो रहा है वो हो रहा है. बट आई एम गोइंग टू, देखो फिर फंबल हो गया, बट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस एज इट इज. जैसा भी है ना, मैं इसको ऐसा रॉ ही डालूंगी. सो फिर इंट्रो लंबा हो गया, जंप इनटू द वीडियो, चलो. So this is the Good Vibes Orange Gel. So मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज़ पढ़े हैं. So I'm so excited to use this product. I hope it is visible to you. So this is Orange Gel. I'm going to open this right now and let's see इसका क्या मतलब बेस है, कैसी इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी है. So and packaging is also good यार. पैकेजिंग बहुत अच्छी है इनके प्रोडक्ट्स की. इनके कंटेनर्स एंड जो प्रोडक्ट है वो अच्छे हैं, ऐसा मैंने सुना है. बट कंटेनर देख के मुझे लग रहा है कि प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होगा. वेट, मी ओपन. So oh my god, it is actually smelling like an orange. See, it is in gel form. I hope it's visible to you. It is in gel form, and you can see this, it's pure gel. And I'm going to make a detailed video on this product also, how it is. So yeah, it's a very lightweighted moisturizer type. If you have a oily skin, or if you have little bit of sweating type of oily skin, you can go with this in summer season. So I have that skin. I am going to apply this. Satisfied or not, I will tell you in the review video, because of it's my first time. How can I give a review on this? But I love the smell. I literally am loving the smell. So this is our first product. Let's see what we have in this. Packaging बहुत tight की है. So second I have this product. I literally saw a lot of people was using this and reviewing this. So it is also a orange blossom face wash. So yeah, I love products which have orange fragrances and orange extracts, so that's why I ordered these products. So let's see how it will give my मतलब कैसे रिजल्ट्स देता है. So इसको तो अभी मैं यूज़ नहीं कर सकती, इसलिए अभी साइड रखते हैं इसे. And in the end of this video I will disclose the price of these products. And this is my favorite product. I am not saying this it's good, मतलब मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि गुड वाइब्स का इसलिए मुझे पसंद है, बट टोनर्स आर माई ऑल टाइम फेवरेट. एंड दिस इज पोमोग्रेनेट टोनर which I think will help me for my open pores and all. I hope it's visible. Yes. So it's pomegranate glow toner. So I am going to open this. I want to smell the how it what the fragrance. So it smells good. Literally, it smells good. It smells good. And I ordered this just because of I wanted to make a review or a comparison video of this and a biotic toner which I have. I have biotic cucumber toner, so I am going to make a detailed video for this and that, and I am going to compare these two products. So first one is this, second is this, and third is this. And I am going to talk about these packaging. इसका कैप ही गिर गया. इसका कैप लगाएंगे अपन. कैप बहुत लूज आया है. कैप नहीं लग रहा इसका. ये तो गलत बात है. कैप लूज है इसका. देखते हैं. So I think packaging are good and smells are good. But let's see what product says. It have pomegranate glow toner, have pure water, glycerine, and a lot of things. It have it don't have alcohol. So इसकी MRP 195 लिखी हुई है, but I got this around 130 or 113 maybe. I will mention here. I will check and then I will mention here in the editing. And it have rose, caninian, and a lot of things it has, and I think it will give benefit because of a lot of people posted a good review on this. And this product says it have no paraben, no cuticle. It is cuticle free, or it don't have parabens. So it have 120 ml in this, and this MRP it costs 195 rupees, and I also got this around 130 and something. So here I will mention all these things. So I'm going to open my fourth product. It is this, and let's open. I am so bad in opening products, but literally ऐसे करके खोलना पड़ता है इनको, क्योंकि इनका टेप जो रहता है ना वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्टिकी है, खुलता ही नहीं है, तोड़ना ही पड़ता है. So this is something which I am going to use for the first time, because these products, toner and this face wash and orange gel, was I already used from a lot of brands, but this time I am going to use vitamin E serum, which I think will give me benefit or not. So it is Good Vibes Vitamin C Depigmentation Skin Serum. It have 10 ml, no paraben, no animal testings. So it says it have no paraben and no animal testings. And the MRP of this product is 225 rupees, but I will mention here कि मैंने कितने में लिया है ये. So let's open. दो packaging open करने पड़ते हैं. Okay, so first of all I have this cute dropper, and here is the bottle. Open. Wait for the detailed videos. I will make a review video on this. all the products which I got. So this is something like this. See, it have tin. See this? It's very lightweighted and every product have a very good fragrance. I don't know what the product will work or not, but they have a good fragrance. So let's see how much vitamin E have है. इसमें कितना vitamin E है? So vitamin E, because where vitamin E concentrated है. It says it gives you depigmentation, so I have a little bit pigmented area over here. I already told you in my last video, so let's see it works or not, but they didn't mention that how much vitamin E this have. It's alright. I will pack this later. One more product I ordered, but these are for buy to get to wale. So one more thing, I have this. So this is Biotech Bio Necta. I will also give a review on this, and इसको भी open कर ही देती हूँ. आ गया है इसमें तो. This is for all skin type. It have 30 SPF and it says visible sun protector, flawless skin, and for all skin type, 100% organic. I have a lot of products of Biotech, and I'm going to compare this and Morning Nectar. No, Morning Nectar is something which we can use as a moisturizer. I am also using that as a moisturizer right now, and let's see. This orange color is a little bit attractive. I like it. So yeah, it have MRP of $9.99, but I will mention here how much I got. मैंने कितने में लिया है. 3 steps for flawless skin. Step 1, cleansing. Replenish. Okay. Replenish, nourishing, and as you need it. Morning SPF Nectar, and it is fully organic, as the name says, Biotech. This is the consistency of this product, and all the products have the same fragrance. I think Biotech have all the product, in all the product of Biotech have same fragrances as always. So these are some products which I ordered, and I am quite impressed with the packaging and the ingredient and the product what says. मतलब जो product कहता है उनसे मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, but I can't believe on the things which they say, because of a lot of products are लिखा कुछ and होता कुछ. That's why I'm going to use these products on me, and then I will give you a full reviewed video. Stay tuned for that and subscribe below. You will get notification when I will post my videos. And next, please tell me in the comment section कि मैं next video किस topic पे बनाऊँ, and are you liking these videos, or that आपने मेरा अभी तक मेहंदी look देखा. Okay, I didn't posted that video. I created a mehendi and haldi look. If you are interested, just tell me to the comment section कि मैं कब वो video post करूँ, because of that is too long video. I have to edit it, so वो मुझे editing complete करनी है. First of all, I'm going to put this video क्योंकि ये इतना ज़्यादा editing का झमेला नहीं देने वाला है, and you can tell me to the comment section कि मैं कब वो video post करूँ. And are you excited? मैंने एक reel डाला है, उसमें मुझे बताना कि how was the look, how was I was looking, मैं कैसी लग रही थी. And इससे पहले मैंने एक न्यूड मेकअप लुक डाला था, उसका मैं लिंक आपको आई बटन में और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. एंड इफ़ यू वांट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, मैं इन प्रोडक्ट्स का भी लिंक, सब सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर दूँगी. यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. एंड that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and nothing. So go please subscribe below and hit the like button and subscribe button, as I always say.